उड़े खुले आसमां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे, उड़े दिल के जहां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे। ओहो क्या पता जाएंगे कहाँ, खुले है जो पल कहीं ये नजर, लगता है याद जाके हम, फिक्री जो थी पिछड़ गई, निकले उनसे आगे हम। हवा में बह रही है जिंदगी, ये हमसे कह रही है जिंदगी। ओहो अब तो जो भी हो सो हो, जो भी हो सो हो।
कितने आदमी थे? A famous dialogue from the movie Sholay was shot here. Yes, today we are heading to Ramadevarabetta or the Ramgad of Sholay movie. The hill is located in Ramanagara and is about 50 kilometers from Bangalore on Bangalore-Mysore highway. If you are coming from Mysore, it is about 90 kilometers. This is a well-connected city. You can either travel on your own or you can take a bus. Ramanagara is famous for silk market and is known as the silk town. On reaching Ramanagara, you can notice an arch with a Hanuman statue on it.
The path will lead to the foothills of Ramadevarabetta. In fact, this region is home for long-billed vultures, and the government of Karnataka has declared this hill as Vulture Sanctuary.
While entering into the area, you will find a nice arch welcoming you to the hills, where you need to pay the entry fees. The vehicle can go up to this place. You can park your car here and take the stairs to climb to the top of the hill. From this entrance to the hill, you have to start climbing. You need to climb around 300 steps. The route is in middle of the forest and is quite exciting. The climbing is very exciting as the stairs are very neat and clean in the dense forest. Halfway to the top, you will find temples dedicated to Lord Shiva and Lord Hanuman. After climbing about half an hour to 1 hour, you will find the Ramadevara temple on top of the hill. Besides the temple, there is a natural pond called Rama Tirtha which is now fenced. People are not allowed to go down to the water for safety reasons. As per the locals, this pond was created by Lord Rama by shooting an arrow to quench the thirst of Mother Sita. The water in this pond never dries up and the depth of the pond is unknown. The temple is located at 3000 feet above sea level. Lord Rama is said to have visited here during his 14 years of exile. Continue climbing the hill from the temple for about 100 steps and you will find some stunning panoramic view.
Few tips to travel and climb this mountain. Start and end early. Carry some water to the top. There are of course nice breakfast options and lunch options en route along the highway, but we preferred carrying our own food. The trek post temple is not advisable for elderly people and very small kids. The main temple at the top, we were given to understand, is over 1000 years old and is associated with a significant bit of mythology. As the name itself suggests, Ramanagara is the town named after Sri Ramchandra, the king of Ayodhya. We heard many stories of this scenic beauty from the localites. After slaying the demon Ravana, Sri Ramachandra returned to Ayodhya. A grand coronation ceremony was performed in Ayodhya, announcing Lord Rama as King of Ayodhya. Charmed by the opulence and beauty of Lord Rama, Sugreeva desired to worship him in the mood of a king. Hence, he got a deity of Sri Ramachandra carved in a sitting posture on a throne with Mother Sita sitting on his left lap, whereas Lakshmana and Hanuman standing to the right. He was carrying this deity along with him to install it in Kishkinda for worshipping. When he reached this place, he was attacked by a demon named Sukasura. He kept the deity in a place and started fighting with the demon. After a strong fight between both of them, finally Sugreeva defeated and killed Sukasura. He then went to pick the deity in order he could continue his journey, but could not even move the deity an inch. He then heard a voice from the sky that Lord Rama wished to be worshipped in this place, as the place was extremely beautiful, surrounded by lush green trees and beautiful mountains. Sugreeva then agreed to install the deity here, and the worship is going on since then in Ramadevarabetta. There was also few other stories which we heard, that during the exile, Lord Rama and Mother Sita stayed in this place and they were disturbed by Kakasura, and Lord Rama punished Kakasura in this place itself. Lot of mythological stories which we could hear about this scenic place. This is Ramadevarabetta through our eyes. After climbing down the mountain, we travelled ahead 9 kilometers to reach a place called Rangarayana Doddi Lake. If it was not for pandemic, this place offers boating facility. There is also a hill by name Panchavati, which is sloped hill with caves. Bears can be seen here often when it is dark.
Traveling leaves you speechless, then it turns you into a storyteller. On that note, this is Ritesh and Shruti signing off from this episode. Special thanks to Adrika Narsimhan for the opening song. And do not forget to subscribe the channel. If you enjoyed watching the video, hit the like button and share the video.